Greg Totten here with Totten Construction, and before drywall goes up, homeowners have one last chance to confirm critical details inside their walls. So we're in that stage right now in our home, and since we've hired another builder to manage construction, it's been a great opportunity to experience this process as clients. Here are 6 things you should always check before hanging drywall. Number 1, make sure studs are plumb and walls are straight. If they're bowed now, your finishes will not look right later. And if they're bowed, it could also be a structural problem. Number 2, confirm blocking is in place anywhere you'll mount TVs, shelves, towel bars, or cabinetry. Number 3, double check all outlets, switches, and fixtures against your plans. It's much easier to move this now than it is after you hang drywall. Number 4, verify plumbing rough ends, sinks, showers, and hose bibs, and make sure they're all in the right place. Number 5, check HVAC ducts and returns for proper placement. This way, air flows evenly throughout the home. And number 6, and in my mind one of the most important, is make sure the roof is fully dried in before insulation and drywall. Any leaks now or missing flashing can cause serious issues later. Catching these details now saves time, money, and frustration. At Totten Construction, we make sure this checklist is part of every project.